Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Then I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, you have a major situation. As you can clearly see right now, Bitcoin is curving very slowly. We found some consolidation phase here. Actually guys, we didn't found that buying pressure that's going to push and break out this $25,200 area and actually going to create here a high. So eventually we're going to see and say at least technically we are bullish, okay, because right now guys, technically we are bearish, no matter that some indicators right now flashing bullish. Technically from the chart, as you can clearly notice, the previous height, it was exactly the $25,200, which happened back on the days, which as you can clearly see, it happened here in early days of August, and we didn't surpass it yet to create a higher high on this bear market. So eventually we're gonna create some uptrend movement, and we can say afterwards, right now we have at least technically a bullish momentum. But right now guys, technically we are not bullish, we are still bearish, we are still on this bear market. And on this video I'm gonna tell you why I highly believe that this kind of bullish action that happened the last couple of days, it's gonna maybe prove as the biggest bull trap that ever happened on this bear market. And when I say guys a trap, I mean that this is not the beginning of the bull run, okay? I don't tell you actually that we won't no matter what to see a high. I'm telling you that this kind of pump is not actually the beginning of the bull run, because I'm expecting a lot to see one more last capitulation to happen, one more last crash to happen, for the Bitcoin price to get under $20,000. So guys, on this video we're gonna speak what I'm expecting to see in the short term, and also what I'm expecting to see in the mid long term, and how I'm dealing this situation that we're experiencing right now, okay? Because everyone is bullish and we have lots of interesting things to cover out. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes guys on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process of daily likes, daily comments, and share your friends. You are actually helping me a lot guys, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because guys, yesterday we spoke about this double top position, that probably this pattern is going for a formation, especially if we're gonna see a huge rejection back to the base of $23,500. And guys, to be honest with you, look, everyone is opening crazy long positions because they believe that we're gonna break this $25,250 area. And guys, this indicates me a huge danger, because most of the times when everyone on the space is bullish or bearish, it's happening exactly the opposite. So guys, beware please with your long positions, because it's very easy to get wrecked out very badly. Also, another weak indication, it was this insane pump with actually bearish news, because we saw here, before we saw this insane massive pump to the upside, we had reported 6.4% the inflation rate of the CPI data of January. And guys, we saw only 0.1% decreasement on the CPI data of January since December, and that indicates us that we're going to stay on those rates, those very high rates, for a very long time, which is very bearish, okay? We should have at least under 6 price of CPI data to actually consider it as a bullish action. It was bearish, and eventually we saw a pump. We're supposed to see furthermore rejection, because if you remember, we had already broke a very significant support of a rise wedge pattern, and already we have took the down road back to $21,400, which was the lowest point, exactly as I had predicted. But guys, with a bearish news, we saw a bullish action, and this indicates me a very big trap. The first big sign of a trap, it was here. The second was that after a certain point we saw a massive sell-off, that we saw a massive rejection from $25,200 back to $23,500 in just in a couple hours, which also indicates me that lots of people here took took profits, and especially the whales who pumped the price at this level took profits, and we collapsed the price back to $23,500 area. Also, another indication is afterwards we show another pump to the upside, and we should suppose to break even upwards immediately and break out very fast this $25,260 dollars. But as we consolidating here on this area, guys, this indicates me a weakness to be able to surpass this massive $25,250 area. And guys, with all this kind of hype around this bull run, the hype, I mean the beginning of the bull run, this actually flashed me a huge danger that it can actually collapse the price or the Bitcoin price and wreck out almost everyone. And this of course is going to happen by whales who gonna actually start shorting from this period and gonna collapse the price very easily. Okay, we're gonna hit some stop loss here, and all of these things gonna have an outcome of massive rejection and immediately breakout to this area. So we're talking for a free fall if this scenario is gonna play out. Okay, right now the most confusing thing is that some indicators, because of this kind of insane pump that happened very fast, flashed bullish. As we have the daily time frame, guys, the MACD flashed bullish before yesterday, exactly, flashed bullish. But guys, be very careful, because this kind of a MACD bullish territory can flip very easily if we're gonna see here the massive sell-off. So don't be hurry to open crazy long position, please. I'm trying to protect you. Okay, stay with your DCA if you are not familiar with the trades. Okay, also we have, of course, if you check the 4-hour time frame, also here we have all the indications that someone can confuse and be actually bullish. With exponential moving average is bullish, EMA ribbon is bullish, all the indicators are looking bullish. Only right now in the 4-hour time frame we saw the super trend indicator that flashed bearish, and of course we stay on this bearish territory for a couple hours here. Only this super trend indicator is the bearish one. And if we check, guys, the volume, you can clearly notice that today the volume was very low. So if you consider this low volume plus all the long positions, it indicates me that probably there is a very big potential scenario to this pump has stopped out, and probably we won't even be able to surpass this $25,200 area. Okay, I don't say it's not possible, but right now this indication shows me that we have a weakness to do that. Okay, and probably we're gonna see a flip with huge manipulation to the downside right now. Be very careful, guys. Okay, I hope to be wrong, because lots of people are gonna lose incredible amount of money, and this is very sad. Okay, so when I'm calling you guys that this bull action is a bull trap, and actually a trap, guys, I mean in the long run that we're gonna experience one more capitulation the next coming weeks, the next coming months. Nobody knows exactly, because we have lots of bearish things. Inflation rates are still high. Fundamentally, we're extremely bearish. We're still extremely bearish, and whatever, according to what Federal Reserve's telling us, especially Jeremy Powell, and also the lower speed of decreasement on inflation rates indicate us that we are still extremely bearish. Plus, we probably gonna have some print money in the next coming months, so that's actually probably can lead us to a recession, and all these very bearish things can collapse the price or the Bitcoin price, the crypto market, and of course the stocks, everything, for one more time. Okay, be very careful. And you're gonna ask me, okay, Chris, what we should do right now? Okay, what we should do if we're gonna see this kind of a scenario, guys? I'm always telling you to do the most simple thing that you can do. Stick with the DCA, dollar cost average. Do it every day or every week. Start buying, and if you're gonna see eventually this kind of drop that I'm expecting, start double down, triple down your position if you're gonna get under $20,000 area. If you're gonna get to under $15,000 area, triple down, quadruple down, go all in, and you're gonna build crazy well performance after the recovery of the last capitulation. Okay, guys, we won't stay on those low levels if we're gonna see this kind of crash for a very long time. So prepare your bags, be ready, because if you're gonna see this kind of crash, to do not be sucked out, and be ready to buy as much as possible. And I'm telling you these things because if someone gonna put here everything that it has, and the price is gonna pump to the upside because they have the fake belief that the price is gonna pump to the upside and never get back to a very low point. Guys, this guy gonna wreck out very badly because you're gonna see the crash, the massive crash under $30,000. Probably he won't have money to buy at those low areas, and of course he gonna have some temporary loss of his portfolio. That's why I'm talking to you that do not be hurry. Okay, do not be hurry. If you do DCA, you won't have to care if the price is gonna pump and we actually flip into a bull run. Okay, actually I don't care if we're gonna get into a bull run the next month. I'm gonna be very profitable, so I don't care, but I'm trying to protect you. Okay, I have this very well in your mind. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you, and my eyes exactly here guys, on this weekly descending broadening wedge, which guys we're gonna see the next 24 hours how we're gonna close this massive candle. If this weekly candle close under this resistance, guys, I'm gonna be very sure that we're gonna see an insane drop back to this area, this low area. I highly believe, as I told you, that we're probably gonna follow this descending broadening wedge, and with this descending broadening wedge, we're gonna actually flip from bearish to bullish scenario around July. This is exactly what I believe how we're gonna move in the next coming months. But this is just a scenario. Let's see what's about to happen. Okay, it can happen absolutely everything. I'm just trying to put you some defensive strategies to do not wreck out very badly. Okay, guys, this is very simply. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you are actually bullish or bearish. Do you believe that we're gonna break this 25,000 area or not? I would like to know that. Also, justify your opinion. Don't say just I believe that we're gonna see bull run in 1 week. The price of Bitcoin at $50,000 in 1 week. You can justify why you believe that, why you agree, why you disagree with me. I will be happy. Every opinion is welcome. And guys, see you tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until tomorrow, your boy Chris is out.